National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Jackson County, Illinois, northeastern Bollinger County, Missouri, Perry County, Missouri, northwestern Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, until midnight. At 11:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Reliance, or 12 miles southwest of Perryville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations affected include Old Appleton, Patton, Silver Lake, Perryville, Trona, Alliance, Lithium, Longtown, Altenburg, Sedgwickville, Grand Tower, and St. Mary. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 117 and 139. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Saturday for the following counties: Jackson, Illinois, and the following counties in Missouri: Bollinger, Cape Girardeau, and Perry.